I know a lot of us are still finalizing our current summer wardrobe, but right now is a really good time to just edit your closet and think about, just get your wheels turning about what you want your fall and winter wardrobe to look like. Right now is an excellent time because the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale is on, and this is the time of year where you can get a lot of what you would need for the fall and winter season at a really great price. I'm excited to say that this video is sponsored by Nordstrom, and if you have been a long-time subscriber of my channel, then you know I check out the Nordstrom sale every single year. Long before I even started my channel, I have been shopping the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale. It's just an excellent time to get things that you need for the upcoming season and to re-up on products that you love. It's a great time to buy like sets, and you get really great deals on a lot of items that are even higher priced normally, and then you get them at a really great deal. So let's check out what I got this year from the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale, starting with this dress. Now this is a Nordstrom brand dress, and I really like the Nordstrom brand. There are a lot of really good pieces that I feel like sometimes people overlook because they don't really realize that Nordstrom has its own brand. Really great quality, really great pieces that I have been able to wear over and over again over the years. This dress is gorgeous. If you are looking for something to wear into the office, if you are looking for something just to have in your closet, because you never know when you have an occasion where you might need a really great dress, this is one to get. So this dress I like because the length is perfect. I like that it's sleeveless because you can actually wear it right now, but you can also throw it on with a boot and wear it in the fall, and then a cute jacket over it, and that will be a whole nother look. So this is a really great one for multi-season use, and I love finding pieces like that, especially on sale. The silhouette is extremely flattering, and I love that it's gathered a little bit at the waist because it allows you to be able to accessorize. So just to show you guys, I threw on, I couldn't find any of my brooches for some reason. So I'm just holding up a pair of my earrings just to show you guys you can put it in that gathered area to style, you know, just add a little bit of joy to the dress if you wanted to, especially if you're going to be re-wearing it a lot. And I feel like this is the kind of dress you're going to wear a lot. You can add brooches to it, different flower accessories, things like that. I really like the style options that you can have with this dress. Overall, really great. And this dress also comes in a really pretty light blue color. Next up, let's talk about this mesh knit top from the brand Varley. I really love the color, first of all. This is my color palette right now. I love the neutrals, the creams, and it's just very flattering. And I love that it has the stripe, like the panels solid, and then the mesh. A really comfortable knit to wear right now. I love the sleeve length. It's just a really great quality knit. I love this style at the neckline that I can zip it up or zip it down halfway. I like that it has the gold zipper, and it comes in at the waist for a very flattering silhouette. This top also comes in a stone blue, and this might be the kind of thing you want to have in a couple different colors, because especially if you are going into the office, or if you just like to have great quality knits that you can reach for on a regular basis that you don't have to think too much about, these are really great. You can also layer underneath them with a tank, and so you can have a little bit more modesty if you are going into the office with these. Next, let's talk about this zip front hoodie from the brand Zella. This is one of my favorite Nordstrom brands when it comes to activewear. It's so comfortable. It looks really good. It looks really luxe, and I just love how it feels. So this hoodie, when I saw it was on the sale, I had to grab it in black because I already have it in gray. But the white is calling me too. I'm really thinking about just go ahead and grab the white, especially right now on the sale. It is just so comfortable. It's kind of like a scuba material, but like softer. It looks really good. It keeps its shape really well. And I just love that it has the side vents. I can zip the bottom half up if I wanted to. I can wear this right now because I'm always cold. So I would wear this to throw on while I'm lounging at home, or if I need to run out. I can just keep this with me and throw it on if I got cold. For travel, this is excellent. The quality is just so good on these. I feel like I can't go wrong with having multiple colors. So let me know if you guys think I should grab the white as well. I'm thinking about it, but I'm so happy that I got the colors that I have now. But a really great piece to have if you love a good, cozy, comfy hoodie. And then it also comes in a blue as well. Now, every year I look at the coats because every year I love to add a really great coat to my collection. And this coat that I'm showing you is from the Nordstrom brand as well. And this is a really good one. I like this one because it's collarless and it looks like a long line blazer. I love blazers. They're a great way to add some tailoring to your wardrobe, especially because I like to dress more like elevated casual. So a blazer goes a long way. And this one gives me the vibe of a blazer, but as a coat. It's a nice weight. I can throw it on with boots. I can wear it with sneakers. I can wear it open. I can wear it casually. I could dress it up. It's a really nice like basic, but very elevated. It has some great detail and it's a good neutral. The last couple of things that I have here that I want to show you that I picked up is first this lip set from Nordstrom Atelier. They have some really great cosmetics and it's a high-end brand, so the price point can be up there, but when you could get a set like this during the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale, it's an excellent time to pick it up. This pretty neutral mauvey lip is the kind of lip that I usually go for when I'm doing something a little bit more on my eyelids. And even when I'm going a little bit more natural overall with my makeup, I like these kinds of lips because they're just easy. In this set, you get the lip liner, which is great to either just line your lips or fill in completely because it adds to the longevity of the lipstick. So I really like when I have a lip liner that goes perfectly with my lipstick because I can fill it in. And then the lipstick, their packaging is absolutely gorgeous. It's magnetic, so you know it's gonna stay, you know, put together, and I really like that. It's just gorgeous. And this is a nice, comfortable matte. It's not drying or cracky or weird. And I'm really funny about matte lipsticks, and this feels really good. And then you get this lip oil with it as well. And this is a nice formula. The packaging, again, great here. And it has a little window so you can see when you're getting low. And a lot of my lip oils, lip glosses, if they're not in a completely clear tube, they don't even have a window. So I like that, you know, Nordstrom Atelier did that with this. And the applicator is really nice, comfortable to put on. And the size is really great because a lot of times makeup will be the same amount across the board with lip colors and lipsticks and lip glosses, but the packaging sizes vary. And so sometimes it'll be a little bit of a bigger tube, but it's still the same amount of product that could fit in a tube like this. So I like that it's a lower profile and it's slim, kind of smaller, so I can fit it in my smaller bags as well. A really great set if you're looking to try out this brand or you love the brand and you want to get something that you don't have already. And then I had to grab this L'Occitane shower oil. I had resisted this stuff for a while and I'm really not even sure why. It just didn't do it for me. I really don't know what it is, but my mother gave me a full size and I was like, you know what, let me just try it out, see how I feel about it, and just give it a fair shot. And I ended up falling in love with it. So I finished that bottle. I finished the bottle that my mother gave me a couple weeks ago. And I was like, you know what? I love it. Let me grab it during the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale because they usually always have this set and I hope they never change that. But it comes with a full size and then you get a refill bottle. I really should have grabbed 2 of these for myself. So I think I'm gonna try it and get my hands on another one. Items like this, they tend to sell out really quickly. But one thing I noticed about the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale, if you frequently check the website, things come back in stock. And the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale right now is available for everyone to shop. But if you do want to be able to shop the sale earlier or when it first goes live, I'll have all the information for the different tiers as a Nordstrom card holder, you know, what accessibility you get. I'll have it in the description box so you can check that out if you want to prepare for future anniversary sales. I will also have a link to some other items that I think are really cute. This suede bomber I've seen come in and out of stock twice already. So these are just one of the things that you might be able to get your hands on if you're just now seeing this video and you're like, oh my gosh, I didn't even shop the sale yet. And these boots are so cute. They are wide calf friendly. I think these are perfect for the fall and winter. You can wear leggings, jeans. It looks like it's gonna have enough space so you can actually tuck your jeans into these as well. But of course, check the measurements on the website to see what's gonna work for you. I have other items in the link in the description box as well that you might wanna check out. So now that I got myself a new coat, it's really time for me to go through all my coats and get rid of what's not working for me anymore, what I haven't been reaching for, and what I know I'm really not gonna wear. Like really just be honest with myself about what I am going to wear and what I'm not gonna wear. I need to go through my sweaters. And one thing about me is that sometimes I really love something and I wear it over and over and over. And then sometimes I might not reach for it at all that entire season. And then the following, winter season after, I might reach for it. So that's also something I like to keep in mind, but I try to stick to a general rule of if I haven't worn it in a year, consider getting rid of it. If it doesn't fit or flatter me, consider getting rid of it. And I set those things aside and I really think about, if I need to move them out of my wardrobe. So I've actually put together a complete checklist for you guys to just keep in mind when you're doing your closet edits. And I will have that listed in the description box. Just let me know in the comments if that's very helpful for you, if that's a really easy way for you to identify the holes in your wardrobe and just get rid of what you haven't been using. Now is the time to declutter, get rid of what's not serving you, and prepare for the upcoming season. So that's everything that I got from the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale. I have all the information in the description box, like I said. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments. If you made it this far and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? I would love to have you. Huge thanks to Nordstrom for sponsoring this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.